Yo, I want to thank PRITECH for sending me these two machines for my unboxing video on YouTube. I've already made an unboxing for this electric shaver. So now let's unbox this trimmer. Yo, this is PRITECH hair trimmer with the model number PR2493C. Got an LCD display. Got 5 watts. I guess 1.5 hours charging time, and the operating time I don't really know. The watts I don't really know, and I told them to send me the black color. So let's see what they got for us inside, Put this aside. So charging cable, and it's a USB Type-C. Got 4 guides and a little brush, and then you got a manual. Okay, so this is the trimmer. With a PRITECH logo, LCD display, on and off switch. So here the USB Type-C charging. I don't know if maybe it's metal or plastic. Here 5 watts. So doesn't have logo. And you cannot zero gap it. So let's make some sound check. Oh, I forgot. This trimmer got also 2 speed. This is the first speed, and the second one. You hear that? Again, first speed. And second. So let's make a RPM test. First speed. Second speed.